You're probably wondering how Shopstory can take over marketing for you. You're paying a marketing agency to handle your marketing and you're wondering where's all that money going? Or you've got a lot of really important things to do, but you end up spending tons of time fine-tuning and managing your shop's campaigns yourself. No problem, we've got a solution for you. Our software is crystal clear and shows you only the most important metrics in an easy-to-read dashboard. Shopstory's intelligence tells you which products, brands, or categories should be promoted more. And the best part is, you can create ads with just a few clicks, saving you lots of time. On top of these easy-to-make ads, Shopstory uses profit-aligned algorithms to automatically optimize your campaigns 24/7, making sure you get the most out of your ads budget. We're all about transparency and ensure you also have all the important metrics regarding your keywords. Want to see if Shopstory can boost your business too? No problem. Book a free demo and our experts will assess what our smart tool can do for your online shop.